Hello students, welcome to the another lecture of Ganon. I am Professor Orithro De. Today we are going to discuss S parameter or scattering parameter. Now, why this S parameter is required? This S parameter is required to analysis a network. Now later obviously the question is, what is a network? A network is a device with one or more ports. What is a port? Port is basically input and output segment of that device. That means there is one entry level of the signal in that device, it is known as input port, and there is some exit level of the device, it is known as the output port. Now each port can reflect, absorb or pass the RF energy. Obviously this RF energy can be measured using this S parameter. You have to analyze those kind of the network. That means if the signal is entered into the network, what is the signal of the from the output of the network, and what is the amount of the signal that is reflected. That can be measured using this S parameter. S parameter is basically is known as scattering parameter. How this S parameter can be represented? S parameter can be represented by the notation capital X, capital S suffix xy. The first X is denote the output port of that network, and the second one, that means Y, is the input port of that network. Let us take one example. Say S21. Here 2 denotes the port 2 which is output, and 1 which is a port 1 which is input. Then I ask you a simple question, what is S11? Obviously S11 is 1 is the input port and 1 is again the output port. That means it can measure the reflection. Now let us discuss this S parameter for a N port network. What is the S parameter for that? It is B1, B2 up to Bn is equal to S11, S12, S1n, then S21, S22 up to S2n. Now this will be continuing. Again this will be again Sn1, Sn2 to Snn. This matrix, that means S11 to Snn, is known as your S parameter matrix into A1, A2 up to An. What is this B matrix? You can denote this within the third bracket Bi. The Bi is the output reflected signal or power. This S parameter is basically the scattering amount of the signal. And Ai matrix, that means within the third bracket there is one Ai. It is the input signal for that network. Now let us discuss the property of the S parameter. The first property is known as symmetry property. When capital S suffix ji is equal to capital S suffix ij, or reverse is also true, that means Sij is equal to Sji. The second one is unitary property, that means sigma ij Sij into Sij conjugate is equal to 1, which can be written as sigma Sji square is equal to 1 if S parameter is real. And there is another property known as orthogonality property, that is sigma I equal to 1 to n S of ik into S of ij is equal to 0, provided k is not equal to j. Now I ask you a question, what is the S parameter for the 1 port, for a 2 port and for a 3 port network. Let us discuss them one by one. In 1 port, you have only a single port, so the S parameter will be S of 1, 1. For a 2 port, you have one input, another is output, so obviously it is S11, S12, S21 and S22. What is the S parameter for a 3 port network? It will be S11, S12, S13, S21, S22, S23 and S31, S32 and S33. Now obviously you can form for a 4 port network, for 5 port network, and we have already discussed n port network. Let us discuss the S parameter for a 2 port network. We will discuss the S parameter for a 2 port network in detail. Let us start. It is B1, B2 is equal to S11, S12, S21, S22 into A1, A2. If you simplify this matrix, this will be B1 is equal to S11, A1 plus S12, A2 and B2 will be S21, A1 plus S22, A2. Obviously, you can derive or simplify S11 is B1 by A1, which is a nothing but input match or return loss or VSWR. What is VSWR stands for? Voltage standing wave ratio. Now, what is this S22? S22 is B2 by A2, which is the output match, return loss or voltage standing wave ratio. What is S12? S12 is B1 by A2. What is S12? S12 is B1 by A2, which is a reverse isolation for a network. And what is S21? S21 is B2 by A1, which is nothing but the gain or the loss for that network. Now, you can also implement this S parameter using the Smith chart. You are familiar in the Smith chart in your EM theory course. This S parameter can measure reflection, absorption of the network. Also, the injecting power in one port and the measuring power from the another port can be measured using this S parameter. Now, if the S parameter is S of suffix xy, this x stands for the output port and y stands for the input port. Now, S parameter can be complex. So, you can represent this S parameter by x plus jy format. And the last one is you can analyze the S parameter using the network analyzer in your laboratory. That's all for this lecture. Practice the S parameter matrices repeatedly. Thank you, viewers. Bye.